gosh, I've been talking for the past minute and I was not even recording. Welcome to day 1 of Samoa vlogs, or day 2. This is our second day here. We're on our way to Apia. It's 5:15 at the moment here in Savaii Wharf, and I'm not a big coffee drinker, but we have been buying coffee yesterday and today because we haven't had much sleep. I'm really tired. Only slept for 2 hours because it's far. Aussie lives far from the wharf, and so we're going on the boat to Apia. And Aussie's brother-in-law dropped us off with his other brother. We've got Jacko and Nuns. And I'm so tired. But anyways, guys, got Aussie here. Got egg sandwiches.
Egg sandwich. Egg sandwich.
Yep. Guys, oh my gosh, I look so tired. You look fine. We have been stopped and blocked off because I think the yeah, so well, it's nowhere near 4. They're just doing things, but they changed where you buy tickets now. It's actually at the other side of the waffle. I'll show you guys. All the way over there, you actually have to walk in. Can you see the line over here? And we got dropped off. I'm so tired. Anyone want any free bags? Gucci bags. They're right here. Guys, we're on the bus now. 45. It's pretty packed. Awesome experience. I can't believe we caught a bus. We were meant to take a taxi, but Aussie was insistent on saving money. Oh, Aussie's fault. We just got off the bus. We're in town now at the bus station. That was such a scary ride. Well, actually not really scary, but my ass hurts so much from sitting for so long. Now we gotta find a taxi. This guy's over there. And Aussie's really shy to vlog in Samoa for some reason. I don't know why he's so shy. Even on the bus, he was so shy to vlog. Like, what the hell?
I can vlog whatever I want. What's up, guys? It's for Chochi. We're here in the market here in Malaysia. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog here in Samoa. It's too hot, but now we're going to catch a taxi. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this vlog. See you guys. What's up, guys? Yeah, guys, we're here at the market. See, so beautiful, guys. It's too early. That's why every shop's not, it's closed because it's too early. They're gonna, yeah. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog here in Samoa. Yeah, look beautiful kurtasi and dress. We down here at the plaza, guys. We here at the plaza, guys. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful Samoa. Beautiful Samoa. Woo. Comment down below, guys, if you need to show you guys how good here in Samoa. Whatever you want to see, just comment down below and we drive around with you guys. So the taxi at the back.
Oh, this way?
Yeah, because we're down here to the plaza. Down the plaza.
Oh, this is where they usually go. DMC.
Who? Mr. Chicken. Oh, Mr. Chicken Burger.
We just picked up our rental now.
Yeah.
And we're gonna run a few errands before we go to the waffle to try and make a booking, because there are no bookings actually, but I mean,
yeah, we're just gonna stand by.
Yeah, stand by. So we need to get our errands done here as quick as possible so we can go and stand by, because we're not probably gonna get Avangoa today, but this guy was so insistent that we would. Guys, you know what's really pissing me off about Siaosi is we were looking for an ANZ bank. He lived here like most of his life. He's only been out into Australia for 3 years.
You know, guys,
and he doesn't know where anything is. I'm like, oh, can you go to Blue Sky? He's like, map for Blue Sky. Got I'll give you a mouse card. I'll give you a mouse card. Okay? We just picked up the car, guys, and it sounds a little bit strange. I don't know if we need to call them and tell them, or if they know this is what it sounds like. But the brakes are a bit, they sound worn. Or I don't know, but they're making some kind of trumpet sound.
What's up, guys? Your boy Jochi, driving around here in Samoa. It's so good. So yeah, we here in Samoa.
Au, Samoa. Samoa.
Everyone's got Samoa.
You're so funny, man.
No, it's not Samoa. It's called Samoa. Samoa.
Siva mai Kenya Samoa. Lue mai mavavai mai lotino. Tilo melo ya yutanga. Ata mai usu mai bese. Tani le patu male ele. Fire mau pala se Samoa away te matele o ita wa masani le fai bao se lalo mai lue mai yo Siva mai Kenya Samoa. atin Mateu lo fong ai selipi Mafa atali tali wala tali tai Ale moenga anayali Lalomai Esulula ialo iesatu Mateu lo fong ai selipi Mafa atali tali wala tali tai Ale moenga anayali Wala aulia Savaii ato Ole la male masina olo uanga seto Oto Lo pale uale so Ua motu si ala ufa asolo Ele faya sa unato ae alu itai fa alomo Auwewe tali So ia eche fa ano
Fai foi ona le tem fai na to Savaii mai lalo pe tau nuru fa wa e fa se mai de fa se nga a skateboard pe e tau nu na lo fa se mai la wa ton ya o tu si la fia o lo fa pena na ye le me o lo tupu nei tonu Samoa o ta longa fa va malo mai so se Pasifika I lo fai nei tonu Samoa me ole o lo fa pena te wina fa mata ho fie ai o no ma fio angai nei Samoa ile ngata I polu nei ao Savaii fo I la tau ia o ta wa vanu de te wina o la tau la fanga I nei fa mata ho fie ai o wa ta longa nei o Pacific game ya a fai la vo fa pena mata ba dei video ya termine e malanga mai ai the talking about is tonight and come back tomorrow. Le lawa mato e atu sei mato e titi atu sala fai. E mo tele sala fai sei tau. Su atu nei me ia. Ma dai pu atu nei me ia itu. Ia na ta to fenoa ia le foi la ia. Manu ia lava fai nga malolonga nei aso. Batas meleli ia maua.
Amen.
Amen.
Guys, I love this. Look at these cars, guys. So full. Up these stairs we go. So beautiful. There's Georgie boy.
Georgie, we got her.
Huh?
Georgie,
What?
you got a space.
Yeah, good on you, babe. I'm proud of you. You said to me, don't worry. Is this the door? Huh? What kind of class is this? Business.
Business class.
So how much is that ticket? Our thingy just arrived and we're getting out of the boat. We're getting out of the boat now. And there's some sort of march going on at the moment, guys. I don't know what it is, but let me show you and see for yourself. I don't know what it is, like a protest.
Pacific Cape.
Oh, is it? I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, the schools there.
Scoots.
Yeah. Pacific Games, look.
Wow, we should go and watch it, but it's so hot. Look at the balangis. Olingava, you feel your pio.
Oh.
Wow, look at these guys.
Come there.
Huh? Wow.
A work that has been done and a dream that has been fulfilled joyfully should be lifted up to the Lord. For He is good and His steadfast love endures forever. I believe that this SPG thoughts relay symbolizes the hanging down of this symbolic fire from generation to generation. From the very beginning of South Pacific Games till this year, 2019.
It's on TV, they've got the media there and everything.
The light of spirit, knowledge and light.
Look at Savaii, guys.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
They've got all kinds of flags hanging up.
Yeah.
Look at the decorations. Samoans go all out when we host things.
Look how beautiful here in Savaii.
Yeah, it's really nice.
This is Salolonga, guys. Besta Savaii.
Savaii. Besta Savaii. Kamara Siaosi and Victoria.
I'm just joking.
Oh, whatever.
I'm just joking.
Sweating so much, guys. We're on a hunt. We just got to, I already said that, we got to Savaii. And we came to get some money out because we're going to do some shopping for the fam. And we, ANZ in Savaii is right next to SSAB. And recently, Aussie's mum's fridge went dead. And so we're just currently looking for a freezer just to give her something before we leave from her trip from Australia, just to sort of mark it with something. So we're on the hunt. SSAB have an awesome deal going on, but it's not going to be available until 2 weeks. So we're just driving around now to try and look for something that can be available as soon as possible.
Here in Samoa, it's beautiful, especially this time. We've got a Pacific Games happen here in Samoa this week and next week, so that's why it's busy here in Samoa. Even Savaii and Upolu, so busy, guys. Yeah, hopefully see you guys here in Samoa.
We're on our way to the markets, to Frankie's, to go and look for another fridge. Bluebird had crappy ones.
Yeah. Sorry, ang I may na mau ki.
Fai aku fiu fai aku la kenu fai mai me ma dia fusio Macau. Fiu we o pilo.
Sorry, ele mafunga kang video.
Ah, kang video.
Sorry, ele masikang.
Sa ora. Ah, foi me na o foi a show ya, ngau le foi Facebook. Fiu wa kau foi.
Ore kayo lo mo era wari le ke pinge yo. Yeah?
Pue.
Se pue era wakawara, fe me so pue.
But I sorry esse meu, ele é o 5 que malo, né? Ele é o 5 que né?
Ngai tapo pipo.
Não, mga bakulua ko se la uia fe bakumane di masela.
Faku kumole ku meu.
Ele milionga.
Milionga, mau milionga.
Guys, we got some new Awala. Where does that road lead to? Yeah, where does it lead?
Just go straight down.
Yeah, they're doing a bridge. They're building a bridge because the Sami's taking away. Yeah, it is pretty deep. Because of the incidences that always happen with the beach sweeping away cars and buses and stuff like that. Yeah, that's what they got there.
What we do here is go back.